Okay, guys, welcome back to another math class. Last time we met, we were working on addition, and we are going to keep working on addition. So remember we said add means put together. And when we're talking about adding, we're talking about how much we have in all, how much we have all together. We might say plus. We might be putting them together, and sometimes we even say that we're finding the sum. Those are all different things that talk about adding. And last time we worked, I had my Cheez-Its and my Goldfish and my Legos, and we were using those to add. Then I showed you how you could draw a picture to add. So for example, if we were showing 2 plus 2, I could draw 2, and I could draw 2, and I could count how many in all to find my sum or my answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, one part is 2, one part is 2, and my whole is 4 when I put them together. These are all the things we talked about last time. And we're going to practice them a little bit more today, but I wanted to show you a new strategy for adding. So, I'm going to switch it up a little bit here. 2 plus 5. That means I have 2 and I have 5, and I want to put them together and find out how much I have in all. So there's 2 ways I could do this. The first way I'm going to do it is I'm going to draw my picture. I'm going to draw 2. I'm going to draw 5. And I'm going to count how many that is in all. So I know that this is 2, and I know that this is 5, and all together it's 1, 2, keep counting, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 plus 5 equals 7. Now another way to do this is by adding on a number line. So a number line starts at 0, and ours stops at 10, but it could keep going to 15, 20, 100, it doesn't matter. And this number is where I'm going to start because I have 2. So I'm going to make a dot on the line right on the number 2. That's how many I have. And I need to go 5 more spaces. I had 2 and I got 5 more. I'm going to do 5 spaces. So on a number line, my spaces look like a jump. And each time I jump, think of a frog, I want to land on the next number. So my frog is on number 2, and he's going to jump 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. I had 2 and I did 1 jump, 2 jumps, 3 jumps, 4 jumps, 5 jumps. Where did my frog wind up? Where did he land? He landed on number 7. If I start on 2 and I jump 5 spaces, I'm going to land on number 7. We're going to do another one of these together, and then I have one that I'm going to upload as a template, and you can use the drawing tool to write right on top of it. If that's too hard, you can copy it onto a piece of paper and then take a picture of it. It's totally up to you. Let's do this one together. Read the equation out loud with me. How would I read this equation? 4 plus 4 equals something. Okay, we don't know. We're going to find that out. That means I have 4 and I have 4 more, and I want to know how many I have in all. So the first way I'm going to do it is I'm going to draw my picture. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to draw 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to count how many in all. Now, I like to label mine, but it's hard because you have to write the numbers really small. So you don't need to do that, but this is to help you see. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep counting. 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 plus 4 more equals 8. Now let's try this with our froggy on the number line and see if we're right. So what number am I going to start at? I'm starting with 4. I'm going to find my 4 on the number line and make a nice big dot. This is the lily pad my frog is on. And how many hops does my frog need to do? How many more do we need? 4 more. So he's going to hop 1 hop. That puts him on 5. 2 hops on 6. 3 hops on 7. 4 hops lands him right on number 8. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 4 plus 1 hop, 2 hops, 3 hops, 4 hops is 8. 4 more than 4 is 8. Now this is the picture I am going to upload for you, so I'm not going to be writing on it because I want to see what you can do. But read this with me. 5 plus 1 equals blank. When you draw your picture, you should draw 5 and 1 more and count them all together. And when you're on your number line, you're going to start at number and do how many jumps? And this will be where you land. Try it out. Let me know if you have any questions. Good luck.